Masco Roofing.
Didn't go for me yet.
412-373-2000. 412-373-2000.
Hey, Crowley here. 93.7 The Fan is here at the Penn.
Oh. I got my Kdka test.
Yeah, but they have no pre-roll. They have no pre-roll. They just fucking
Features teams from the United States, Germany, Mexico, Japan, and Nicaragua. Come check it out. Tickets only $8 for adults.
Alexa, stop.
There was no pre-roll.
Kdka just tested for me.
That's a fail. They forgot to do the pre-roll. And yes, I screamed again.
Kdka tested.
Wait.
Yeah, I got it. They forgot the pre-roll. That's good.
See the beauty the Father has given us, the waters,
I don't know.
the mountains, the earth, the people.
Kansas is probably touching those sirens.
Poverty and slavery.
Probably, but it could be in Silver or in Arizona. It could be a Silver or in Arizona.
Have to be learned. The Father has not created us to be puppets.
A silver alert has been.
Yep, I knew it. I knew it.
Department.
It is
This is
man
the
who
Arizona
breaks the
Department of
rules.
Public
Silver or in
Safety.
Arizona.
Phoenix Police Department is looking for Mary Ann Elivo,
Wisdom you have.
last seen on foot wearing dark-colored t-shirt and black pants near Cave Creek Road and Grover Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.
Peter said, but
Fucking scream the babies.
fisherman.
It might be the best of all.
Jesus responded, Peter, upon this rock you shall
Love it.
Yep.
shall be spoken.
That was a Silver alert in Arizona.
Yeah.